If you've forgotten your password for Heartland State Bank, resetting it is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Visit the Heartland State Bank website. Go to the official Heartland State Bank website using your preferred web browser. Look for the login section on the homepage. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. In the login area, find and click on the Forgot Password link. This will direct you to the password reset page. Step 3. Enter your information. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your information, check your email inbox for password reset link. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Create a new password. Click on the link in the email and follow the instructions to create a new password. Make sure your new password meets the security requirements set by the bank. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to log in with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting Heartland State Bank's customer support for assistance.